And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
What up, buddy? What up with you?
Man, everything playing?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see it. You know, I gotta see you every time I get a chance. You done did anything different to it?
No, I just recalled the subs. That's it. It's a little stouter. That's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you still got that air working in here?
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing right about now.
Yeah.
Something like this. Some hoop.
Shock him a little bit. Shock him a little bit.
At T-Mobile, we're committed to serving those who...
You gotta hold it back to make sure you last through the day, though.
Yeah.
I know how to get, man. What's the number you running here?
All right, I'm running 8 of the JPs, 80, 83. Yeah, 83. I'm sorry.
You got 8 on back there?
No, 4.
Okay, 4. Okay.
483s, 8 15 DC level 5s. I have 3 alternators. You know, shit. What are they?
I can't remember what the one you had.
Brand X, yes sir, Brand X. And I got 3 of the JP 24.3s on the highs and everything. So yes, it's pretty much the same setup, you know, just recon some subs and it's a little stronger than what it was. You know, he can tell you, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the other video down below. I'm gonna let the other guy get a demo. Appreciate good seeing you.
All right, then, brother. All right.
What's up, man?
What's good, man?
What you got going on? What car today, man?
Man, we had to leave it home. We bought.
YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.